Hello. Thank you for your interest in PassTheNASCLAExam.com. You probably stumbled upon our course while starting your journey to becoming a licensed general contractor and wondering how to study for your contractor's exam. Well, I'm here to tell you that you're in the right place, and a contractor's license is an incredible achievement that opens numerous opportunities. You might find yourself asking, do I need to study for the contractor's exam? Or what is the difference between the NASCLA and the state contractor's exam? Or maybe even how do I get my contractor's license? Don't worry, you're in the right place. Our testing professionals are always available to answer your questions at support@PassTheNASCLAExam.com. The NASCLA exam is a 5.5-hour exam covering 23 books and documents. There are 125 questions on the exam, however 10 of the questions are sample questions for future exams. This means that only 115 of the questions count, and you must get 81 of those 115 questions correct to pass. There are currently 15 states across the country that accept or administer the NASCLA. It also covers the U.S. Virgin Islands. Some states accept the NASCLA exam for a commercial and residential license, while other states accept the NASCLA exam only for a commercial license. Please take a moment to review each state that you may be interested in being licensed in to see which is accepted. We recommend sending in your state's application packet to your state's contractors board before or during your studying for the NASCLA exam. This being that it can take about 1 to 2 months for approval. Financial information and reference letters can be items that your state's board may require you to submit in the application packet. Once taking the NASCLA exam and receiving back your approved application, you are eligible to take the business and law exam for whichever state you would like to be licensed in. Don't worry, the business and law exam is a much easier exam than the NASCLA. It is a single book, open book exam. Also, majority of the material is from the same business and law book from the NASCLA exam. Now onto the course itself. PassTheNASCLAExam.com came about after an interesting finding. Most contractor courses have huge upfront costs. We wanted to focus on a subscription-based course that can be canceled at any time. This way, you only pay for the time you need. Many competitors charge $600 or more for course access. If it only takes you 2 months to complete the course, wouldn't you rather just pay the 2 months of subscription that you would have paid at PassTheNASCLAExam.com, saving hundreds of dollars? We then set out on our way of creating the highest quality content for students. Content to really engage them in each book, making them understand exactly where to find the answers for the exam. This exam is all about perfecting your skills and finding the material in the books. Being a 23-book and document open book exam, they will be testing your knowledge on locating items. That is why PassTheNASCLAExam.com has created tutorial videos, study guides, quizzes, study tips, and practice exams that focus on making you dive into each book thoroughly and locate the answers. Our current question bank is over 1,200 questions and is regularly updated. Once passing all of the quizzes and consistently scoring high on the practice exams, you're ready for the real thing. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and share.